My name is Madison McShay, and I am from Texas in America, and I study at Texas Tech University in environmental engineering. The reason I chose to do an international internship was because I think it's important to step out of my comfort zone and expand my horizons for the future so I can become a better person and a better student and employee. I chose Medellin because Medellin was a very nice city to live in, very high class, very good culture, and they have a lot to offer. The thing I like the most about the country and the city would be the people. I've never encountered such a kind and warm, loving group of humans in my entire life. In my internship, I got to meet people that Grupo Familia has been working to change their lives by providing them support and some income and advice and help on how to better themselves in whatever endeavors that they are pursuing. So what I got to do was learn how to evaluate the social, emotional, environmental effects that they were doing and put it on a financial level to compare investments and how exactly those investments play out in the real world.
Familia es una compañía de consumo masivo. Somos una empresa que tiene un liderazgo en el mercado importante. Esto nos permite tener un contexto más internacional y de ahí también como la apertura a tener practicantes de otros países. La experiencia con The Intern Group ha sido muy beneficiosa porque la gestión que tienen con los practicantes internacionales y la tranquilidad y las garantías que les dan a ellos finalmente se convierten en unas garantías también para el Grupo Familia, porque sabemos que la gente viene con una muy buena calidad de vida aquí en Medellín que garantiza que la experiencia sea memorable.
Going through the intern group made everything really simple and easy, just the fundamental things you have to do when you go to a different country. The intern group did absolutely everything for me and kept me informed throughout every single step. One of my favorite activities that I did with the intern group was the salsa classes, as well as the graffiti tour. I actually went on that twice because I loved it so much. Another trip that I did that I loved was going to Guadalupe. I thought that was super cool. Advice would be to 100% do it and don't be afraid. Also, I would recommend going through the intern group because it makes it so much easier. I love Colombia, I love Medellin. I will definitely be returning. This whole experience changed my life because of the intern group. They showed me so many people of all walks of life, and I have so many friends now and connections throughout the world, and I think that's amazing.